Ever contemplated about the intricate ingredients that form the backbone of the world's most exquisite fragrances? In the realm of perfumery, there exist ingredients so unique and elusive, they're almost mythical. These ingredients, with their extraordinary properties, hold a certain allure that transcends time and trends. Today, we embark on a journey through these olfactory elements, exploring the rare and captivating scents they produce. Our first stop is with the aromatic bay leaf, an ingredient as alluring as it is complex. A staple in the culinary world, bay leaf lends a distinct, mildly spicy note to fragrances. Its oil, known as bay oil, carries a potent, sweet aroma, adding depth and richness to perfume blends. Next, we explore the intoxicating world of bay rum. Derived from the leaves of the West Indian bay tree, bay rum carries a warm, spicy scent, reminiscent of clove and cinnamon. Once a popular ingredient in men's grooming products, it adds a nostalgic touch to modern fragrances. Then, we delve into the world of beeswax and beeswax absolute. Beeswax carries a sweet, honey-like scent with a hint of floral undertones, while beeswax absolute, a concentrated form of beeswax, is prized for its rich, warm aroma, reminiscent of honey and hay. Moving on, we have benzaldehyde, a compound with a delightfully sweet, almond-like aroma. Benzoin, on the other hand, lends a warm, vanilla-like scent, while its resin, known as benzoin resin, adds a rich, balsamic note. Benzoic acid, another derivative of benzoin, carries a slightly medicinal yet sweet aroma. Benzoin Siam, a specific type of benzoin, is known for its sweet, balsamic fragrance, while benzyl acetate, a compound found in many flowers, lends a sweet, fruity note. Benzyl alcohol adds a mild, sweet aroma, while benzyl benzoate, benzyl cinnamate, benzyl propionate, and benzyl salicylate all add depth and richness to perfume blends. Next, we delve into the world of bergamot and its derivatives. B-roll bergamot oil, extracted from the peel of the bergamot orange, carries a fresh, citrusy scent, while bergamot resinoid, a concentrated form of bergamot, adds a deeper, more robust citrus note. B-roll bergamotine, a compound found in bergamot oil, lends a sweet, slightly spicy aroma, while bergamotol carries a fresh, tart scent. B-roll. Moving on, we explore the world of berries, beryl, and beta-carotene, all of which lend unique, fruity, and earthy notes to fragrances. Beta-caryophyllene, a compound found in many essential oils, adds a spicy, woody scent, while beta-citronellol, beta-damascenone, and beta-farnesene all contribute floral, fruity, and sweet notes. Next, we delve into the world of beta-ionol and beta-ionone, two compounds that lend a sweet floral scent reminiscent of violets. Beta-pinene, on the other hand, adds a fresh pine-like aroma. Then, we explore the world of birch and its derivatives. Birch oil, extracted from the bark of the birch tree, carries a sweet, woody scent, while birch tar, a byproduct of the distillation process, adds a smoky, leather-like aroma. Finally, we delve into the world of bisabolol A and B, two compounds known for their sweet floral scent. Bisabolol B, in particular, carries a fresh, sweet aroma reminiscent of chamomile. Thank you so much for joining me on this sensational journey. Whether we're unraveling the mysteries of unheard ingredients, exploring diverse topics, or diving into the unknown, your support means the world. If you enjoyed today's content and want to stay connected with our vibrant community, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Here, every scent tells a story, and I want you to be part of it. Your subscription not only keeps you updated, but also fuels the growth of this channel. So embrace the sensation, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this incredible journey together. Until next time, stay curious, stay fragrant, and keep making scents that truly make sense. Goodbye for now.